By Chuck Pagano to attempt the extra point.
Now, Kamar Aiken ran in there and just put his hands on the defensive player and made no attempt to run the route, but that was within 1 yard of the line of scrimmage. So
Adam, this is a wild scene. The Colts had lined up a little bit too far in front of where they should have, and now they're scurrying back. This will be a 43-yard extra point attempt as they desperately try to clear some of the snow for Vinatieri.
And they missed a 39-yard attempt earlier in the game, that 33-yard attempt earlier in the game that really didn't have much of a chance. So not an easy kick here for the Colts.
Vinatieri, who has struggled historically in this stadium, just 11 of 21 in his career, including that miss earlier from 33 yards out. And now a timeout has been taken by the Colts as they want to give themselves a little bit more time to try to clear out some of that snow. Let's go downstairs to Steve.
This end of the field is almost impossible to kick. If he hits this one, this is a really tough kick for Vinatieri to hit. He missed one going with the wind early in the game. This one is into the wind that notoriously has the wind knocking the ball down and to the left of the kicker. Really a tough kick to hit. If he hits it, it's a heroic kick, even though it's not as long as some he's hit in his career. As you mentioned earlier, he's 11 for 21 career in this building, and I'll tell you what, he's never kicked in worse conditions than this.
Well, he's made some of the toughest kicks in the history of the sport. One of the all-time greats. And he'll put this one certainly at the top of his highlight reel if he could somehow boot it through for the Colts. It'll be a 43-yard attempt to try to tie this game. Extra point from Vinatieri, streaking back right, and it is good. And we are tied at 7. A miraculous kick by Vinatieri. All tied on CBS.